Yo, you ready to make some holiday cash? Some holiday cash flow. Let's get it. Yo, it's Ryan, the Smart Web Tutor. I'm back again, and you're ready for that holiday cash. It starts tomorrow. I know that you're coming, right? You're ready to get that holiday cash flow going in your business. You're ready to figure out how it is that you can make a little extra here in the holidays. Pay for those gifts for your kids. Do whatever you need to do. Take that lady out to the nice dinner, right? Or take your husband out to the nice dinner. Either way, right? We're not discriminating here. We're just saying if you're a business owner and you got stuff going on online and you want to make that extra cash, if you're new maybe and you're just trying to figure out what you're going to do in order to generate that extra revenue, right? Just that little, push, right? That little extra injection of money, cash flow into your business for the holidays or any other time during the season. Specifically right now, because we're in the holidays, and a lot of people are feeling the pressure, right? We're feeling the pressure. What am I going to do? My kids, they're getting older. Their toys are more expensive, right? And you want to be able to have some nice gifts under the Christmas tree or 12 days of Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, right? We want to be able to make sure that we're not under the pressure. We're not like stressing out about this thing, okay? The holidays aren't about stressing out. The holidays are about having a good time with family and just enjoying, right? Somehow during the millennia, we've got ourselves into some kind of a problem here where we are like obligated to buy people gifts, right? Throughout the season. And I don't know if we can get ourselves out of it, right? We got these different dates that for some reason, somebody in the past gave us this like responsibility that on these certain days, we're supposed to go out and buy people gifts. It's okay. If you're a giving person, we need to go out there and get those gifts for them and show that we care for them and that we know, we feel them, right? We understand. We know what you want, right? So in this case, tomorrow, we're talking about the Holiday Cash Flow Challenge. It's coming up. It's starting tomorrow, Saturday, the 5th of December, 2021. We're coming to you. We're going to come to you live with the 5-day challenge, okay? Actually, they're going to be doing 6 days, all right? But tomorrow is the start of it, and we want you to be there to learn about this extra special Holiday Cash Flow Challenge, okay? So I'm going to take you over there to that registration page where you can sign up for the Holiday Cash Flow Challenge. Okay, it's only $1, right? You just have to deposit $1. You get trained by 7 leaders. Okay, 7 leaders for $1. And then you're also going to get a trial to the membership. You're going to get 30 days trial membership. Okay, so you're going to get what most people would probably pay at least $97 to $297 to hear leaders come to you live and teach you what they would do to make money in the holiday season, what they would do to make a quick cash injection, right? We got the injection, and this injection is cash, not whatever they're doing to other people these days, right? We are looking for that cash injection so that you can go through your holiday without the stress, right? We don't want to feel all stressed out. And when you come, you're going to be able to get these leaders teaching you for $1. Come on, $1. I mean, who can be skeptical, right? $1. Okay, do you want to spend $97? You could pay me $97. I'll pay for your $1, and then you can go and take the challenge. If you want to pay more, if you think that paying more you're going to get better value, then you can send me the $97. I'll pay the $1 for you, and then you could go and then you could feel happy about the thing. I'm just kidding, right? We want you to just pay the $1. You get yourself into the challenge, and then you also get that 30-day trial to the membership, okay? So let's get you on over there so I could show you that page, show you the details, and then you can sign up, register so that you could be there tomorrow. All right, Saturday. Okay, we want you to be there. We want you to join in this challenge and learn from these leaders what they have to offer. Okay, so I'm going to take you to that page. Remember, I'm putting the link in the description below so that you could sign up. Okay, we only got a day here to get into this, right? They're coming live tomorrow. So we want you to get there and be prepared, that you can be prepared. You could set a time on your calendar, close the door, listen to these guys. If you're not going to be there live, then you can come and you get the replays, right? You get the replays within the membership. And but being there live, you're able to ask questions. They'll probably have questions and answers period where people will be able to interact and, ask their questions and listen to what the leaders have to say. All right. So I'm going to put that link in the description below again so that you can go over there, sign up, and then right now, let's get on over to that page where I could show you the details about what you're going to get. All right, see you over there. All right, so here we are. This is the page. This is the page. This is the page for the challenge. This is where you're going to come and find out all of the details about the challenge, 5-day challenge, right? We're going to be here teaching you about how to make that money during the holidays. We got create quick cash flow in your business this holiday season. Live 5-day holiday cash flow challenge for quick sales and fast cash now to help you buy your kids the gifts they want, create massive impact, and enjoy a magical, stress-free, happy holiday season. Rare 5-day experience with 7 leaders to get the exact steps to take on social media this holiday season. Specific steps for the holidays to get people wanting to buy and join your products and opportunity over Christmas, Hanukkah, and the 2022 New Year, even if you're brand new. All right, so in my last video, I went onto this page and I went into detail about all the things that you get. So today I'm going to do a smaller, lighter version of what you're going to get so that you can just kind of come here after you watch this video and really review the page for yourself. It's self-explanatory and the challenge is only $1, okay? You're going to get that. So I'm going to go down here and show you what you get. All right? You got 5 days. Actually, it looks like they got 6 days. You got 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. And they got 6 days. So instead of the 5-day challenge, they're making it 6 days. And you're going to finally get a system to make money in your business this holiday season and set yourself up with a wildly profitable 2022. Only 45 minutes per day over 5 days plus access to all replays. 30 days of additional live coaching and support over the holidays. A complete marketing system to get results and so much more. Okay, so the extra 30 days is the trial of the membership. That trial of the membership is going to get you daily coaching with these mentors on a daily basis. They come to you during the Monday through Friday. So I'm going to show you more about what we get on a daily basis. But we're going to do this 6-day challenge, right? Introducing your guides for your 5-day challenge. All right. Well, it looks like they're going to do 6 days now. So they got the first day is the owners of the company, Brian Finale and Norbert Orlowitz, over 60 million in online sales. We want to help you craft a marketing message that makes money this holiday season. Day 2, Kim Ward. All right. Top earner who makes a full-time living at leveraging Facebook groups and crushes it over the holiday season. Day 3, Stacy Hall, a top earner who guides her clients to north of 200 plus leads per curiosity post on social during the holidays. Day 4, Diane Hockman, a top earner who publishes lead generating content 24/7 over the holidays while hardly working at all. Day 5, Aaron Birch, a top earner who sponsors more people during the holiday season than most recruit in their entire careers. Lindsay Sewell, Day 6, a top earner who leverages reels and stories all holiday season long to create sales in her sleep. All right, so you're going to get these guys, these are people, top earners. These are people that are making good money online, okay? And then you got people like this, that 60 million in their career online. Okay, come on. Let's get real here. Let's really understand what you're going to get for $1. It's crazy. So you're going to come to this challenge. You're going to learn from them directly, and then you can start implementing, okay? So let's see what they have in this offer, what you're going to get when you join. Okay, we got the weekly calls. On Mondays, they got the orientation. Tuesdays, they got funnel training. Wednesdays, they got the marketing webinar plus business building. On Thursdays, they got social media networking and prospecting. And then Fridays, they got the happy hour. And every day, they have a wake-up call in the morning, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Plus, they have a follow-up call live in the Facebook group. All right. So you're never left alone. You're always getting lots of training, and you're not going to feel like you're getting gypped here. What you're going to get, you get the live 5-day holiday cash flow challenge with 7 experts. You get limitless leads DMO training, done for you lead gen campaigns to get ready to buy leads so you can get sales, signups, reps, and rank advance fast in your company. You get 40 plus courses to get prospects in your business. Bonus, you get the success in MLM secrets. Bonus, prospecting and recruiting secrets. Bonus, prospecting stranger secrets. Then you get the customer relationship manager to help monetize all your new leads. You get live daily coaching from 6 and 7 figure network marketing top earners. Daily action steps to get 9+ interested prospects per day for your opportunity via social media for free. One-on-one 60-minute coaching session plus 3 quick start PDFs to get leads. Lifetime access to our 20,000 member Facebook group community for hands-on support to get your questions answered and get results. Plus, you get high converting, high paying MLSP affiliate program to create cash. Then you got the advanced features. When you are ready to upgrade and take your business to the next level, yes, this marketing system has everything you need to get leads and make more money in your business. You get the funnelizer to create personal branded funnels, and then you also get the business center to launch your own courses, team training site, and affiliate program. All right, so you get the funnelizer as a basic member as in your trial, but it's a limited version. If you upgrade to the Pro or Premium, you get these other features, and then you're almost set to not have to buy anything else on the internet again. Okay? If you're sick and tired of the shiny object syndrome and just all these things that people are offering you on a daily basis, then you might want to consider getting into something like this where you may only need to get your domain name and an email service provider, where those 2 things plus this package here, you have everything you need to succeed online. All right? So if you get involved in this and you stick around inside this membership, I'm going to help you out along the way, and I'm going to be there for you. I also have a bonus package that's available for you if you take advantage of this. It's a package of 12 courses that I have. If you stick around, if you go on the monthly, I'll hand out 1 course per month to you in this package. If you buy the annual, after your 30 days is up with your trial, if you buy the annual in the Pro or Premium, then I will gift you all those courses at once. All right? That's like over a $600 value. So I want to just incentivize you to think about this as the new home for your marketing endeavors, okay? This is where you're going to stay. This is where you're going to learn. This is where you're going to implement. This is where you're going to finally succeed online, all right? And I'm going to be there for you along with the other leaders. I'm going to be able to know that you joined this, and I'm going to be there. I'll contact you, and we can, have a one-on-one chat, and then we can see where you're at, and then we can go from there, okay? So consider this holiday cash flow challenge, all right? I'm going to be putting the link to this challenge in the description below. Learn more about what you're going to get. If you're already ready and psyched about it, then you can join right now. And remember, I'm also going to put a link to my leadership bundle, to the AppSumo deal, if you're interested in that as well. Otherwise, I look forward to hearing your comments in the section below. If you have any questions, let me know. And then, you're going to skyrocket, and then you're going to join, and you're going to get involved in a community that cares for you and wants to help. All right? So thanks a lot for joining. Thanks a lot for listening in, and we'll see you in the next video.